Yes.
I seek your lordship indulgence on mentioning part 2, item number 1, number 8, and number 9 on behalf of my senior Victor Elralte.
Don't rush, I can't hear you. Yes, item number
1,
1 of
8,
part 2. Yes.
yes, lordship, 8 and 9.
8 and 9. 1, 8 and 9. Yes. So you're appearing on behalf of?
The petitioner.
Okay.
On
Is your
behalf of
name
Mr.
there in,
Victor
in the
Elralte.
cause list?
No, no,
Is your
lordship.
name is not reflected? Then you must be appearing on behalf of your senior. Who is your
Victor
senior?
Elralte.
Okay. So 8, 9 and 10. So you're going to pray for adjournment. Is it it?
Yes, lordship.
Yes. Have you taken the consent from the other side?
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Miss so-and-so, give your name. Okay. Your good name?
Sila Rathfeli.
Silal Ruatfeli makes mention on behalf of her senior, Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the appellant, for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks. Same order for all the cases. Okay, 8, 9 and 10. Yes.
For motion, item 1.
1, 8, 9 and 10. Yes?
May it please your lordship. My lord, this is a claim against a contract amount that has been left unpaid, an amount of 1.774 crore, and that has been duly admitted by the state respondents. The brief facts of the case is that, my lord, the engineer-in-chief P&E department, Government of Mizoram, had issued a notice inviting tender dated 28/6/2019, wherein the project for implementation of IPDS scheme phase 2 has been floated, and a corrigendum has been made to the notice, and in that corrigendum, my lord, the amount has been specified to 3.16 crore. And so far, my lord, almost half of the contract amount has been paid, and the same has been the amount of 1.74 crore has been left unpaid. And has been,
remaining due is 1.7.
yes, my lord.
Okay.
May I take your lordship to Annexure 11, page 83. There, my lord, the liability has been duly admitted.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? To the Managing Director, MS Trade and Technology Private Limited. The subject is reconciliation of unpaid balance, IPDS IT Phase 2. Dear Sir, with reference to the above subject, it is hereby reconciled and confirmed that the unpaid balance against the work IT Phase 2 under Integrated Power Development Scheme, IPDS, stands at rupees 1,74,62,947. Out of this amount, the total value of work bills received by the office till date is 1.69 crore. In addition, a bill bearing invoice dated 17/11 amounting to 2 lakhs, around 2 lakhs, and invoice number so-and-so dated 17/11/2021 amounting to 69,000.
Okay. So in the last this thing, it is 1.38. So this is 1.38 has not been received by this office till date.
Correct, my lord. But the total amount of 1.74 crore has been duly admitted. And
Okay, will you show notice? Let's
yes,
see.
my lord.
What is the reason for non-payment?
The reason they have
Non-availability
accorded
of funds.
the reason they have accorded through RTI is that due to lack of funds. Yes, my lord.
Then you'll have to wait for some time. How long have you waited?
Around 5 years, my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. Lalrokung Apautu, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents for their failure to pay an amount of rupees 1 crore 74 lakh 62,947, which is the remaining amount due to the petitioner on his completion of works regarding the installation of computer and accessories, networking equipment, meters and GPS-based survey under Integrated Power Development Scheme, within brackets, IPDS, close bracket, phase -2, IT enablement on all 12, within brackets, urban, close bracket, of IPDS, full stop. The new the Learned Council submits that in spite of the letter dated, where is that? You're taking me to page?
Page 83. Letter dated 21
Okay,
11.
2025, wherein the respondent number, who's the engineer?
The ENC, my lord, P&E department.
Respondent number?
Respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3 had admitted their liability to pay the said amount by writing a letter to is the managing director a party?
The managing director is my lord, the CEO is the petitioner is the CEO in the
Okay,
company.
so it's just respondent number 3, is it?
My lord.
In spite of the letter dated so and so, wherein the respondent number 3 had admitted their liability. However, till date, no amount has been released. However, till date, the said amount due to the petitioner has not been paid till date. Issue notice to the respondents. Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoipu, Learned Government Advocate, accept notice on behalf of respondents number
1 to 4.
1 to 4, and Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoipu, Learned CGC. And Ms. Yes, Zairam Sangpui, Learned CGC, accepts notice on behalf of respondents number
5.
5. Anyone else?
No, my lord.
No need to issue formal notice. Requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned councils for the respondents. List after 3 weeks.
My lord. May I take a brief moment, my lord? As your lordship is retiring from the bench, I would like to express my gratitude for your years of dedicated service. And I think I speak on behalf of all the young members in the bar that when I say that we often felt a sense of warmth and inclusivity when proceedings are held before your lordship. So I wish your lordship the very best, and I'm grateful for the opportunity.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Item 2.
May it please your lordship. This matter pertains to the refusal to return the LSC belonging to the petitioner. The petitioner had obtained an airship certificate in respect of LSC number 103101/01/829 of 2010. After the death of his mother on 6/10/2023, he had misplaced the said LSC and he had applied for reissuance of the same from the office of the respondent number 4, who is the settlement officer, Land Revenue and Settlement Department, Aizawl North. In the meantime, he had come to learn that the misplaced LSC was lying in the office of the respondent number 4 for mutation in the name of the respondent number 5, who is the private respondent. And the petitioner submitted a complaint dated 13/10/2025 to the respondent number 4, requesting him not to issue the LSC to the respondent number 5 or her representative. And thereafter, a meeting was held in the chamber of the respondent number 4, wherein it was decided that the LSC should be returned to the petitioner within a period of 1 month. The said minutes of the meeting is at page 23 to 24, my lord. Here, the respondent number 4 clearly stated that the LSC would be returned to the petitioner Lelzo Moya within a period of 1 month in the last sentence of the said meeting minutes.
So,
When he tried to collect the LSC after the expiry of 1 month, he was again then directed to submit one small application saying that in terms of the meeting minutes, the LSC should be returned to me. So he submitted the application. However, the respondent number 4 refused to return the LSC till date without any valid reason.
what did he say?
He did not
Nothing.
say anything. The order has already been passed, but he refused to return the LSC.
So after you filed your application, which was on 13/1
Yes,
this
my
year,
lord.
2026,
Yes.
did you go and approach him again?
Yes, my lord.
And what
we,
did he
we
say?
approached him, but he said it will,
To wait?
yes,
For
to
what?
wait. Just to wait. But the order has already been passed by him, my lord. So it's very complicated case. So if your lordship may kindly issue notice at this stage.
No, I think we can dispose of this with this direction that's to address or to respond to your application. Is it?
Application, yes. And since the order has already been passed by him,
No, that we cannot force, but we'll say to respond to consider this application as deemed fit,
as per law.
or as deemed fit or as per law, whatever. Okay? I think we can dispose of it the
Yes,
motion.
my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship, if the order may be passed to direct the respondent number 4
To respond to
look
this
into the
letter.
application submitted by the petitioner within 3 months, at least within 3 months.
Why 3 months?
3 months, my lord.
3 weeks, 3 weeks. It's a simple matter,
It's a simple matter, my
this
lord,
thing.
yes.
No,
If
my
he
lord,
doesn't want to this
thing
thing
is that
return,
the
then he'll have
department
to
is-
pass a speaking order and then he can come to the court again against whatever order if he does not return. But then we'll see. Because there must be some reason why he's not returning in spite of his letter. That is another issue. Okay.
The issue
But
is that, my
now-
lord, he's not doing anything, actually.
So we'll
See-
just,
see.
this is a simple, I think you should have approached the
Yes.
director instead of coming to the court.
My lord, we have approached him, my lord.
Who, the director?
No, and since an order already has been passed by him, saying that the LSC should be returned to him within a period of
Instead
1
of
month.
coming to the court,
even-
you should have gone. Anyways, we'll just
My
pass a
lord,
simple order.
yes.
No, nothing complicated here. But if for some reason he has a reason why he is not acting as per what he had this thing, then he'll give a reasoned order and then
Yes, to
if
give a
there's
reason.
another cause for litigation is a different matter.
Yes, my lord.
Actually, you should have approached a director instead of coming to this court. Anyways, heard Mr. For such a simple matter, but maybe there's something very complicated which we don't know. Anyway, I heard Mr. Zoram Thana, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant writ petition. For issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondent by submitting that the petitioner is the rightful owner of the LSC number 103101/01/829 of 2010.
2010, yes.
2010, since he has obtained an heirship certificate in respect of the said property after the death of his mother on 06/10/2023. Full stop. Not full stop, comma. However, when the petitioner approached the respondent for issuance of the said LSC number, so and so, same number, copy paste, okay. It must be for the reissuance, okay, of the,
Reissuance,
which,
yes.
since it was on it been misplaced, for the so and so, on it been misplaced. He discovered that the said LSC was lying, it has not been mutated, is it?
Yes, it was proposed to be mutated.
Was lying in the office of the respondent to be mutated in the name of respondent number 5. Full stop. Thereafter, the respondent number, who is the respondent with whom you came to an agreement?
Pardon, my lord?
Who is the respondent with whom you came to an agreement?
Lalarin Zwali,
Respondent number?
5.
No. Respondent number 5 is to be mutated into the name of
Yes.
respondent number 5.
We have not
isn't
entered
it?
into any agreement, my lord. There is no agreement.
Okay, then who is the person, who is this person who said that it would be...
It is the respondent number 4 himself, my lord.
Respondent number 4, that's what I'm
Yes.
finding. However, the respondent number 4, in spite of his order dated, where is his order?
At page page 23, my lord.
Okay, however, the respondent number 4,
Four. No, my lord,
And
after the complaint was submitted by us, a decision was taken by the respondent number 4 to return the LSC to me within a period of 4 months.
okay, however, in spite of the respondent number 4, in its decision dated 25/11/2025, had decided to return the LSC to the petitioner, but the same was not done till date in spite of a request made by the petitioner to return the same in terms of the said decision dated 25/11/2025. Full stop. Due to the non-return of the LSC number so and so, copy paste, okay. The petitioner has approached this court for the respondent number 4 to take steps in terms of its of the minutes of the meeting dated. No, see. Just don't this thing take anything. Your letter 24.
My
Okay,
letter
page 24.
At
Time
page
is 19/11/2025, but it is signed on 25/11/2025.
Yes, it is signed on the same date.
What?
Twen-
Today, it says today we have decided so and so, but it was signed on 25/11/2025.
Yes, my lord. The meeting was held on 19/11/2025. The meeting minutes was signed on 25/11/2025.
But here the letter says today, that is today, on so and so.
No, no,
we
today,
decided
today
so and so.
19/11. This is the meeting minutes. This is the saying that the meeting was held on 19/11/2025. And
I understand what the letter is trying to say,
Yes,
but it
yes.
is not correct. When it says today, it should be signed today. That is, today will be 19/11/2025. Isn't it? Meeting minutes, then it can be said that on the meeting when it was held on so and so.
yes.
It says today. Today means it should be signed on 19th, not 25.
Yes, my lord, they have written like this in vernacular, voin ni sompakwa kasompakat 2025.
Anyways.
So I'm just translating whatever they say.
Even if it is in, okay, it should be signed on that day itself. And otherwise, it should be on so and so, the meeting was held on so and
Yes.
so. It should have been, I mean,
That, my lord, we
I'm
have
just
no
trying to figure out what is the, anyways, what is the last this thing? However, the same has not been returned till date, okay? Just make it like that, full stop. The petitioner has therefore approached this court for the respondent number 4 to return the LSC number, same, copy paste, okay?
In terms of the.
In terms of the minutes of the meeting, which was held on 19/11/2025. Full stop. Then new para, Ms. Vana Isyami, learned government advocate. It submits that the instant writ petition can be disposed of if this court directs the respondent number 4 to address the said letter dated 16/1/2026 within what period of 3 weeks? 3 weeks. Full stop. Having heard the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, and considering the nature of the prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, this court finds it appropriate to dispose of the instant writ petition at the motion stage by directing the respondent number 4 to address the letter dated 16/1/2026 within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receiving a certified true copy of this order. Yes, accordingly, WPC number so and so, 14 of 2026 stands disposed of. As above.
Yes, my lord, if so, I believe petitioner may be given a direction to approach this court again, my lord.
You approach to dispose of your
Because if the liberty is pointed out, he might be in a hurry because we've wasted so many time, my lord.
No, you tell your client to take this. This is an order.
Yes, ma'am.
We cannot spoon feed you.
Just
do
a
this.
liberty, my lord.
Yes.
Formation.
Obliged,
Item
madam.
3.
Madam, I am appearing for respondent number 6 and 7. Madam. As per the order dated 24/11/25, respondent number 1 sought 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit.
Yes, CGC has prayed for 2 weeks' time.
My lord, will not be filing affidavit.
Okay. So you are for respondent number?
6 and 7. But it also appears respondent number 4 and 5 have not filed affidavit as
none
yet.
appeared for 4 and 5. isn't
Lordship.
it?
4 and 5 they have not
Lordship,
filed
Ms.
affidavit as
Delunu
yet.
is appearing on behalf of respondent number 4, the Kala.
Yes. Now, respondents, State respondents is respondent number
State is respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Okay. And 6 and 7?
That is authority under the NHIDCL I am representing along with Samuel.
You are for 6 and 7?
6 and 7.
Okay. So here in the last court's order, you have already filed your counter affidavits, is it?
We have already filed.
6 and 7 they have already filed.
Already
2 and 3
filed.
have also filed.
And
Now
state
4
also
and
filed.
5,
Only
2 and 3
Kala
has
four-
filed. 4 and 5?
4.
Have not filed.
Mr. Lundui is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4. She will be filing her affidavit within 3 weeks.
Okay, respondent number 4. Who is respondent number 5?
Respondent number 5 has not been represented, my lord. The service
Notice
has...
complete?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
it is
So I think it's a
administrator.
similar order. Yes.
Perhaps the same authority as Kala.
Learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Miss Caroline K. Lalungoipui, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 2 and 3, comma, Ms. Zaram Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 1, and Mr. KJ Saikia for respondent number 6. It is seen that the respondents number 2, 3, 6 and 7 have filed their counter affidavits, full stop. Mention is also, no, then, who is Lanundui? She's not here?
Yes, my lord.
We may await for respondent number 4 and 5 to file their counter. No, it is seen that respondent number 4 is represented by Ms. Lal Nundui, learned government advocate. Where is she now?
She's on leg, my lord.
She's on legs in the other courtroom.
While respondent number 5 remains unrepresented. Stop. We may await for respondent number 4 to file the counter affidavit. List.
No,
My lord,
I am.
When do you want
I am
it?
PJ Saikia representing respondent number 6 and 7, assisted by Miss Pui, Ju Pui, Jodi
Okay,
Pui.
learned senior. Is he a senior counsel?
Lordship.
Yes, learned
I am
senior counsel.
assisted by Jodi Pui.
Okay, assisted by Ms. Azauddin Pui.
my
I've
lord,
already mentioned your name. So when do you want it listed? List on?
My lord, can it be listed on 6th of April, my lord?
List on.
my lord, if the order may also reflect that the CGC respondent number 1 will not be filing their affidavit.
Okay. Okay, list on 6th, 06, 04, 2026. Okay. It was also, then here, previously, we can mention, we may await for Lalundai for respondent number 4 to file their counter affidavit, while Ms. Zaram Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 1 submits that they will not be filing their counter affidavit. Okay.
My lord,
Yes.
I have a further small prayer, my lord. On going through the affidavit, what I filed, my lord, there's some formal defects are there. So I may be permitted to, my lord, file an amended, my lord, affidavit in opposition, or alternatively, my lord, additional affidavit, my lord.
You file an additional affidavit, isn't it? You file an
Lordship.
additional affidavit. I think that would be easier.
Lodge. And whatever the correction already made in the affidavit in record, that I will highlight there. my lord.
Or you want to file an additional affidavit plus make some corrections, is it?
Correction, my lord, in the affidavit already on record, my lord.
What are the corrections? You will have to file an IA for that.
My lord,
because copy already
actually, my lord, in the writ petition, although, my lord, NHIDCL has not been made a party which ought to have been, my lord, made, but I have stated in the paragraph 1 of the affidavit that NHIDCL has been made a party, my lord.
Ah,
And secondly,
okay, then if they are not made a party, then You are,
I
6
have
or 7 is
stated
who?
that- I
Respondent
have
number
stated
my
that
lord.
NHIDCL has been made a party.
No, NHIDCL is a party because you are respondent number 6 and 7, isn't it?
Malad 6 is the MD NHIDCL, not the NHIDCL. Malad is a body corporate, Malad. So NHIDCL ought to have been a party, Malad. It is the post
So
MD, managing director.
MD and NHIDCL, they are different, is it?
Malad NHIDCL is a body corporate and MD is a post, Malad, authority under the NHIDCL, Malad.
No.
And secondly, affidavit, Malad, has been filed by General Manager P, saying that that General Manager P has been made a respondent number 3, but in fact General Manager P is not a party, and respondent number 3 is a state of secretary to the Malad state of Mizoram.
Okay, so in your counter affidavit, you have made those 2 mistakes, is it?
2 mistakes, so Malad some amended Malad
Amended counter affidavit will allow you
Amended-
to file an amended counter affidavit.
amended counter affidavit along with an additional
And
affidavit.
an additional.
ipso
Okay. we allow
affidavit
that.
ipso advice.
List after so-and-so, okay. List on so-and-so. On the submission made by the learned senior counsel for respondent number 6 and 7, the learned senior counsel is also allowed to file an amended counter affidavit and an additional affidavit to the counter affidavit already filed by them. Okay, yes,
Gotcha. Gotcha.
yes.
And the petitioner may also, my lord, can, my lord, make the NHIDCL a party, which, my lord, is a necessary party, in fact, because it is a body corporate, my lord.
Let's
It
see
is
if she
so
wants
easy.
to do it
Yes,
or
yes,
not.
of course,
You
of course,
consider the matter.
they have not prayed, so, my lord, I'll,
She's here, let them consider whether they want to make NHIDCL a
Lodge,
party or not.
lodge,
Okay.
lodge.
Yes. Otherwise,
Obliged,
in your
highly
counter affidavit, you can mention that due to non-implement of necessary parties, this
Yes.
thing, red petition is not mentable, you can mention that.
Yes, therefore, I'm saying for the additional
You can
affidavit.
mention that, or they can do the needful in the next date. Let's leave it at that. Okay.
Lodge, lodge, obliged, my lord, highly obliged.
Items 4 to 7.
Yes. Respondents,
Yes, the
you have prayed
respondents
for
are.
time, huh?
Yes, they are yet to file their affidavit, my lord. In fact, this is a covered matter, but
Let them file the first, isn't it? Mr. Bila Ramena, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoipui, learned government advocate for the state respondents number
2 to
2
5.
to 5, and Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 1. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time, is it? To
Yes,
file
my
their
lord.
counter affidavits, full stop. Now, there's respondent number 6 and 7. What's happened to them? Who is respondent number 6 and 7?
now this is CADC, my lord. Chakmautun Mas District Council.
Are you representing respondent number 6 and 7?
My lord, I am for the item number 5, Lordship.
Petitioner side.
Okay, you're the
These
petitioner.
are
Okay.
tagged together, I read petitioners.
Then it is seen that AD card from, it is seen that return of AD card from respondent number 6 and 7 is still awaited. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, ma'am.
Okay. The presence of Mr.
B. Chakma, Lordship.
B. Chakma in
Item number 5.
in WPC number
132/2024.
132/2024, and the presence of Mr. Yes, Silal Fogzwala in
My lord, I'm
WPC.
appearing in item number 7.
Okay, 41/2025, are noted.
My lord, in item number 7,
Ah,
the respondent number 6 and 7 has received the notice. We have filed a compliance affidavit
what compliance?
that they have received the notice. Dusty service.
Dusty?
Yes, madam.
Let's see.
Respondent number 6.
Wait. 41. Were you,
I'm for the
were
petition.
you, this thing ordered
were directed,
to?
madam.
You were directed?
Yes,
Okay. It is also seen that notice upon respondents number 6 and 7 in WPC 41 of 2025 is complete, and affidavit that to that effect has been duly filed by the petitioners, showing that notice was received by respondent number 6 on 16/10/2025 and received by respondent number 7 on, what's this?
They have received on 10/10.
10/10/2025. In view of the above, notice is deemed to be complete upon respondent number 6 and 7. However, none appeared for respondent number 6 and 7. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks.
With your lordship permission, before the next item is called, may I say this on my behalf and my learned friend, that we are glad to appear before your lordship, and we had the honor and privilege to appear before your lordship. We had our ups and downs, acquittal, dismissals, disposals on merits, but all was fair, and we are thankful for that. We wish you good health and success, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Humbly opposed.
Item 8.
Lordship, on behalf of the state respondents, I will be filing my affidavit in opposition within 3 weeks.
Within 3 weeks? Why so late?
Lordship,
Anyway, Miss Emily L. Changte, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Miss Caroline K. Lalungoipui, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 1 to 4. The learned government advocate has prayed for 3 weeks' time to file their counter affidavit.
My lord, there is an interim
Okay,
stay.
in view of the above, list after 3 weeks. Full stop. Then, meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Your Lordship. For respondent 1 to 5, all the respondents, my lord. I'm seeking 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
Okay, Ms. Rosin Mandamsani, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Ms. Ruth Lalwatfeli, learned counsel for respondents number
1 to 5.
1 to 5. The learned counsel for the respondents, okay, has prayed for further time to file the counter affidavits. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged.
Part 2, items 6 and 7.
Hearing. I don't think we're going to have any hearing, is it? Who is appearing? Anyone? None appeared for the part 3 phone call. List after 2 weeks.